And by the time he comes, मैं हमारी अगली speaker को आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगी, Miss जिया ढींगरा जी, जिनका topic आज जो रहेगा वो रहेगा Empower Women Today for a Better Tomorrow. So can I have जिया ढींगरा जी? Is she here? Okay, एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. Looking very lovely in that sari. And of course, we would love to hear कि आप आज क्या लाई हैं हमारे लिए? What are you planning to tell us through your speaker session? एक बार तालियां जोरदार हो जाए, please. आइए.
Hello, am I audible? Am I audible to everyone? Okay. ना अबला हूँ, ना बेचारी हूँ. ना अबला हूँ, ना बेचारी हूँ. तू देख मुझे, मैं नारी हूँ. सबल प्रकृति सी प्यारी हूँ. सबल प्रकृति सी प्यारी हूँ. संपूर्ण सम्मान की अधिकारी हूँ. मुझे जरूरत नहीं है किसी सहायता के हाथों की. मैं अकेली ही 100 पर भारी हूँ. मैं अकेली ही 100 पर भारी हूँ. So first of all, thank you all of you to inviting me here to share my views on this topic, Empower Women Today for a Better Tomorrow. A very delightful good afternoon to all of you, to guests, to all the ladies and gentlemen. Empower Women Today for a Better Tomorrow is something I would like to speak about. So, when I was a little girl, my father always told me that an Indian woman is dependent to a man. When she is young, she is dependent to her father. When she is married, she is dependent to her husband. When she is old, she is dependent to her son. Why? Then here my father said that I don't want you to be like that. I want you to be independent, to be the master of your own destiny. But this is only possible when you are educated. When you are educated and say something about yourself, you stand on your own 2 feet. So just because of my father and mother, my parents, I'm here in front of you all saying this. Whatever I am today, I want to introduce myself. I am a professional Kathak dancer from Devbhoomi, Uttarakhand. Okay. Thank you so much. So now when I am standing on my own 2 feet, I want to do something about women empowerment, education of women. So I am providing free of cost education for the girl child who are unable to pay, who just because of money, who are aware of education, who did not study just because they don't have sufficient money to pay, to get good studies. I am here as a youth educator, as a young educator. I'm here for all those girls. So, here I want to say some lines. Please, if you remember, try to remember whose lines are these. Empowering a girl child is like planting the seeds of a mighty oak tree. In a tiny acorn, nurture her potential and she will grow into a force of nature. Can anyone remember whose lines are these? Anyone here who present and know whose lines are these? Okay, I will tell. These lines are by Malala Yousafzai. I think you all are familiar with this name. You are? Malala Yousafzai says, she said, education is the most powerful weapon in the world. And yes, it actually is. So if we want to develop a country, what should we can do? Educate the youth of that country. That's what I am doing by providing free education to the girls of my society, Dehradun, Devbhoomi, Uttarakhand. And with this...
जोरदार हो जाए, जोरदार तालियां, come on.
And with this, I want to say something that ladies and gentlemen, please pay attention. I am the huge fan of my nation, my country. Whenever I am talking about my country, I feel very proud. The culture, the values, the heritage here are very precious. So, because of this, I decided to become a Kathak dancer, classical dancer, and I present India 3 times as a Kathak dancer. And the only way to preserve our culture is to distribute it amongst the young. The only way to preserve our culture is to distribute that amongst our youngsters, to teach them the values of our culture. This is the only way that we can save our culture, our values, and our heritage. Just to distribute this, I am running my own dance academy known as Guru Kripa Dance Academy in Dehradun, Devbhoomi, Uttarakhand. There we teach youth the values of our culture. As a classical dancer, I can say that this is feeling very proud when someone says that you are from India. This is your culture. This is your dance form. Pay attention, ladies and gentlemen. Let us reaffirm our commitment here with Ek Nari. These are responsibility. All of us have a responsibility to make our youth better, to make women better version of themselves. This is my dream, and I didn't only dream for it, I worked for it. This is my dream, to see millions of women on the top. This is my dream, to see millions of women on the top. Is your dream the same? You all are here in Ek Nari. No low energy or no energy. Is this your dream too? Yes. Can I have more voice here? Low energy by Ek Nari, the platform of Ek Nari, no energy. Is it your dream to see millions of women on the top? Yes. Thank you so much. But here, together we can break. Together we can break down the barriers that hold girls back. And we will create a world where dreams can flourish, where their dreams can flourish. So today, in this platform of Ek Nari, we are talking about independent women. We are talking about women entrepreneurs. We are talking about women educators. But I want to give tribute to all the household ladies, to the housewives too, who made us, to all the mothers who made their daughters, but not themselves. So these lines are for them. Without any appreciation, they are doing their work. So please pay attention for these lines. भूलकर अपना अस्तित्व जो हर किरदार निभाती है, भूलकर अपना अस्तित्व जो हर किरदार निभाती है, ये वो देवी है जो हर घर को स्वर्ग बनाती है, ये वो देवी है जो हर घर को स्वर्ग बनाती है, फूल नहीं चिंगारी है ये भारत की, नहीं आई आवाज, नो साउंड्स, फूल नहीं चिंगारी है ये भारत की. Yes, thank you so much. Let us celebrate the strength, resilience, thank you so much, sir, resilience and potential of every girl child and work towards the future. See, gender equality is not only a dream. Right now, it's a dream. Gender equality is a dream. Are you agree? Right now, it's a dream. I can feel gender equality is a dream. But we all have to work globally to make this dream true. This is not the dream only, but it has to become reality because the people like you, the people like us are here in this country, serving for their country effortlessly, unconditionally. As we commemorate this important day, let us remember that empowering girl today is an investment. Empowering girl today is an investment in a brighter and more equitable tomorrow for all. Are you agree? Empowering girl today is an investment. This was my topic, that empower women today for a better tomorrow. So after listening me, are you agree that empowering girl today is an investment? Sorry for a short speech, but to end my words, I would like to present some beautiful lines because the love for my nation, for my country can reflect in my eyes easily. I think you all can see that. So I would like to end my words with these some lines. Please pay attention and join me at the last. मैं भारतवर्ष का हरदम अमिट सम्मान करती हूँ. मैं भारतवर्ष का हरदम अमिट सम्मान करती हूँ और यहाँ की संस्कृति का ही सम्मान करती हूँ और यहाँ की संस्कृति का ही गुणगान करती हूँ. मुझे परवाह नहीं है कहीं जाकर मोक्ष पाने की. मुझे परवाह नहीं है स्वर्ग जाकर मोक्ष पाने की. हो तिरंगा कफन मेरा, मैं जिया बस यही अरमान करती हूँ. मैं जिया बस यही अरमान करती हूँ. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय उत्तराखंड. सो प्लीज विद मी, भारत माता की
जय.
भारत माता की, भारत माता की जय हिंद. एंड मैं लास्ट में यही कहना चाहूंगी कि मुझे अभिमान है कि मेरी संस्कृति ही मेरी पहचान है. थैंक यू.
जोरदार तालियां हो जाए जिया जी के लिए, सेंडिंग दैट patriotic message across all our audience. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much जिया जी for that enlightening speech there. और